Welcome back to Lucid Trading. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening. Make sure you hit that like button if you just joined. That would be very much appreciated. I'm a little bit later than usual. I was calling with somebody and was also busy uploading that video. Uploaded the video on Tesla, and that's also what we're looking at right now. Tesla's sitting at $908 now per share. It seems like we're going to be seeing the stock close around this price for next week, which will be very interesting because it seems like we're going to get like a lot of buying volume here. last minutes in the markets, as the MACD is still not crossing, volumes are not properly going down. We're seeing bullish patterns short term. So it looks like we might even spike to 910, maybe even 912 for the coming minutes for Tesla stock. Nasdaq is red, 10-year yield sitting pretty darn high. Bitcoin is going down. Tesla's still up 1.6%. I mean, you can't make it up. You cannot make this stuff up. This is classic, right? Classic, huge hype around Tesla, and it just keeps going up. Yeah, we made a video about Tesla. It is on the channel. Check it out if you haven't checked it out. Welcome back to Unai, Jill, Jesus, Jasper, Hung Yung, Waleed, Tanisha. Let's see. Alex Whiteside, Kenneth, Vincent, Sal, Irene, and Arno. We also got a $5 donation here from Patrick Lamb. Thank you so much. Patrick says, hey, Gara, you rock. Can you take a look at SLV and whether it still has some room to move up, uptrend or downtrend now? Sure thing. Let's take a look at SLV. Let's see. All right, Silver Trust. See what's happening here. Inflation is still a thing, and it's gone down quite a bit, right? So, this is interesting. Yeah, I think it's going to go up more. I think we're probably going to get to the next resistance around 23, 24, which is right around here. 24. So maybe we get another 5%. Very, very much possible since, you know, seems like inflation is still a thing. But that's my opinion on that one. Other than that, I don't know a whole lot about what's going to happen with silver, but that's the short-term momentum. Sorry, that's actually the... Hold up, let me go back to that one. It's not the short-term momentum. That's like for the next months, right? So yeah, I think silver is going to be heading up until the end of the year. Looks like the weekly MACD is going to cross. Daily chart looking very bullish. So yeah, it's going to be fine. Tesla's still sitting at 907.7. I think, honestly, what I think is going to happen here is I think most people... Sorry for that. I think most people are going to realize in the weekend, because a lot of people are buying at 907. They're buying at 908. They're buying at 910. They're going to realize in the weekend, oh gosh, I bought it at 907, 910. Monday, people are going to look at their stock, their portfolio. Oh boy, I bought at the all-time high. Especially if markets are down just a slither on Monday, this is going to come down. I could be proven wrong. I've been proven wrong here the past couple of days. Tesla's valuation is being stretched. And so far, looks like it's been very, very potent. What stocks did you buy today? Today, let me tell you, I've been buying some Virgin Galactic. I've been buying some Robinhood sitting at 39.7. I've been buying some... Which one was it? Snapchat. I've been buying some Snapchat. I've been buying some Facebook, which, you know, Facebook is down 5.6% right now. Big tech is selling off quite amazingly. And what's really funny is, like, if you take a look at this watch list, what is up right now? It's just Tesla and Li Auto, right? It's like growth stocks are down, AMC down, big tech is down, BNGO Nano Dimension down, recovery stocks are down. Semiconductors green, big banks are green, and Tesla's green. Other than that, I mean, look at this. Growth stocks are all selling off. So Tesla's capturing all that capital, right? Let's see. How are your short options on Tesla doing? My short options, let me think about that, right? I'm down 2%. I'm down 2 percentage points on my shorts. So I'm fine. Unless Tesla goes up 50% from here, I'm going to be fine. Don't worry about me. So long as look, all I need right now with my short position, I want Tesla in the next month and a half. I want it to come back to either this zone right here or this zone. I'm okay, I'm all right if it hits back to 850. I am very happy if it gets back down to 780, 800 bucks. And that's like where the technicals, in my opinion, are also pointing out that it could be going towards. Because usually when this stock, like I already covered this on the daily chart. There we go. When the daily RSI gets this overbought, like what we've seen here, which is the January the 7th. Let's see, was it right? Yep, there we go. January 7th. It tends to pull back around 10%, right? We can go back in time, but that's generally how much it goes down. So a 10% correction, I mean, that would mean, it depends on where it tops out. Could top out right here. We get back to 810, 820. I would be like in the green on my short position. So nothing is guaranteed, but we'll see. Powell is also going to be announcing the tapering, and that is also going to be coming up. Oh, yeah, by the way, I forgot to tell you guys. Damn, how could I forget this? One sec. There we go. For the patrons out there, if you are a patron, we got new buy and sell signals. There are new buy and sell signals on the Patreon. If you are a Patreon or patron on Patreon, go to the website, patreon.com/lucidtrading. Check out the buy and sell signals. They're now officially on the website. I updated them today. It took me about an hour and a half to actually, work it around, change the numbers, add some stocks. We got some stocks added to the list. I think I added Snapchat. I added all the social media stocks. I added some interesting stocks have been added to the buy and sell signal list. The Patreon link is in the description if you want to become a patron. It's like about $3 a month. But yeah, the buy and sell signal list is now on Patreon. What we're also going to be doing this weekend, we're going to have a Q&A live stream. So that means that we're going to have a live stream where people can ask me questions, and that is coming up on Sunday. I think it's 3:15 p.m. Eastern time. So we'll be notifying everybody for that. So buy and sell signals are up on the Patreon. Almost forgot to say that. There we go. All right. Anything other than Tesla, please? Yeah, sure thing. We'll take a look at something else. But Tesla's the most exciting stock right now. I mean, let's be honest. Everything else is going down. Really, it's just Tesla going up. Everything else is down. It's really messed up. Bitcoin is down 2.5%. Yeah, Bitcoin MACD is about to cross on the daily chart. That could be very bearish. Hold up. All right. What's happening here? We got 13 minutes until the market is going to close. DIDI also down 6.3%. We got Alibaba down 0.2%. Alibaba is just not going to go down at this point, it seems like. Tencent is down 0.8%. Virgin Galactic is down 2.8%, sitting at 19.5. Netlist, 5.7%. I'm very surprised. Why is Robinhood down so much? It doesn't seem to make a lot of sense right now. It really doesn't. But yeah, we had a huge rally at the beginning, and then it just came back down, right? Obviously, this was pure hype. Didn't have anything to do with valuation. The excited stocks right now are DWAC and Fun. Huh. Yeah, I think Robinhood is great. I think it's a great buying opportunity right now. It's going to become oversold at this point. I think Robinhood is a great buy. I don't think payment for overflow is going to get banned or anything like that. So yeah, let me just draw that out. It's below that support though, so that's kind of problematic. Yeah, I would be a net buyer. I am. I actually am going to buy some right now. Just a small amount. Okay, here we go. Here we go. All right. Bought a couple $100 of Robinhood. Damn, the bleeding is real though. Nasdaq is still going down. It's getting worse. That's really funny. It's getting worse, but then you have Tesla still up 1.6%. Meanwhile, the competitor, like NIO, is selling off big time, which I did predict. I think NIO is very undervalued. It is incredibly undervalued. XPeng, same, I would say. Looking pretty good. C3.ai down another 3.6%. Palantir down 1.7%. This is wild. Oh. Facebook down 5.6% still. I still like Facebook. I don't care what anybody's saying. I think Facebook is going to perform very well into 2022. Google down 3 percentage points. Amazon down 3 percentage points. What is this? BNGO down a percentage point. This is just the last day of this trading week, and everything is selling off. Yeah, this bleeding is nothing. Yeah, everything is still very close to all-time highs, though. I have to agree with that. It's not like market valuations are undervalued. Like, everything is still very close to all-time highs. You got stocks like Tesla and Microsoft still hitting all-time highs. It's still not a very cheap market. What is very cheap is some of these growth names, right? Some of the growth names are, in my opinion, like excessively cheap. You know, things like UiPath or Virgin Galactic going down like $40 a stock or something. We had Robinhood going down substantially. I think DIDI was pretty great at like 8 and 7. You know, if it gets below 9, I would probably still buy more, but you know what I mean. Like, yeah, most bigger cap stocks have been, you know, touching all-time highs, and we're just seeing a slight correction in the markets. But I think most stocks are reacting to the 10-year yield. The 10-year yield is still sitting at 1.65, which is very high. This bleed is absolutely nothing, man. No, let's see. Gara, is NIO going to hit 55? Yeah, if Tesla keeps going up, you bet. We're going to see NIO at 55 very, very soon. Because relative to Tesla, NIO is going to be cheap. Oh. Yeah, relative to a Tesla, I think NIO is cheap. I mean, look what happened. All the way up to this point, right? Where it's just gone parabolic. It's crazy. I still like C3.ai at 45.7. Palantir has been doing nothing. You can't compare Tesla to NIO. Get out of here. Come on. How can I not compare Tesla to NIO? Please tell me. Yes, Tesla's larger. They both make battery electric vehicles. They both have software that they're using in their vehicles. They're both trying to automate, trying to get autonomy. Let's see, what else? They both have charging stations, although NIO's using the battery swap, which Tesla's not using. Hey, look at that, 909.5. Tesla's just shooting upwards right now. Shooting upwards, like right before the close. What do you think is going to happen when people are going to see this for the next 2 days that they bought into Tesla at all-time highs? 909.6. 910 probably at this point. they're going to think twice. This hype is going to be over. The stock is going to plummet next week. Because we have no catalyst next week. We have no catalyst 2 weeks from now. There's no catalyst 3 weeks from now. It's not going to be good. And my throat is killing me right now. Uh, 909.5. 6 more minutes until the market is going to close. Nasdaq still negative. S&P selling off a little bit. The Russell's negative, selling off. Dow Jones very positive. Tesla is up 1.75%. NIO is down 2.9%. Lucid is down 1.5%. AI almost down 4 percentage points. Palantir down 1.6%. Interesting. All right, I just had to add some shorts. I added some shorts on Tesla at 910. And let's see. That should be good for now. I think I'm down 1.6% or something. Yeah, it's not that much. Yeah, I added some shorts right here. I've been adding in this zone, a little bit in this zone. I've been adding just a lot more shorts, especially in this area right here. Since yesterday, I've been adding like a boatload of shorts. On that reaction, right? We had a massive reaction here. And I was like, well, I got to get into this, right? So added some short positions there. Hey, it could go up to like $1,000, who knows, right? But I don't think that's going to happen right now. I think we've got some room left for some downside for a tiny correction. And that's probably going to happen next week, but we'll see. Let's see. Tesla might dip, but not going to dump huge. Yeah, exactly. It's going to dip. It's going to dip 10%, but it's not going to dump 40%. I know. Why do you think I'm shorting it? I'm not shorting it for freaking 30%. That's not going to happen. I'm shorting it for 10%. 10% is awesome. What's happening with Snap? We got 3 minutes, by the way. Yeah, Snap is still sitting at 55. Yeah, I bought some at 59. I should probably buy at 55, right? I'm going to buy some. Couple minutes left. Yeah, so I bought a couple $100 of Snapchat at 55. Snapchat is also one of the buy and sell signals, and it's in my opinion, it's in a buying opportunity right now. It's a buying zone right now. People are panicking way too much. I think Snapchat is going to get out of this rut in a couple months from now, so I don't see why it's selling off this much, this fast. I guess it's better than it bleeding out, right? It's like you got your answer, right? People think it's bearish. People are getting out. So we're getting these cheaper prices. And I'm taking full advantage of this. Tesla's about to hit 910 right before the market is going to close. And we got about a couple seconds left until the market closes. Oh, boy. Smash that like button. Market is closing up in a couple seconds here. Tesla is going to close at the price of 909.6, it seems like. It's dropping a little bit right now, but it's still sitting quite high. 909.7. Market is closing up any second. Oh, boy. It would be funny if it closes up at like 910 or something. That'd be hilarious. That's the highest price it's ever been. Any moments? 909.7, 909.3. Oh, boy. Is the market closed yet? Nope. There we go. Market has closed. Tesla closing out on a price of 909.5. That was it for today. That was it for this current week, at least. For the trading week, that was it. Tesla sitting at 909.5. Most of the market is bearish, right? Most of the market's been coming down. Growth stocks are coming down. Some of the Chinese stocks were green during the day. Came back down as well. And, what was mostly going up was the big banks. Recovery stocks were not so good. Semiconductors green. And I guess Tesla was green. Everything else was kind of red in this watch list. Which could continue because the tapering is coming in November. And, we only have like 2 weeks left, 1 week and a half left until the tapering announcements. So we could see the 10-year yield actually rise up further, which could in some sense be a bearish catalyst. All right, so yeah, that was it. I think the markets are not going to go up a lot. I think we're probably going to see some flat movements for the coming days. I think Tesla's going to come down because Tesla has no catalyst. I don't think Tesla's any catalyst right now. I think everything is priced in. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this rally in Tesla. I mean, it's been great. I still have my long positions, which I haven't looked at in a while actually, but they've been doing pretty well. And yeah, I made a video about Tesla stock. If you haven't watched it yet, check out the video. The video is now up on the channel. It's doing pretty well as well. A lot of people are watching. A lot of bulls are complaining, right? Which does make sense. Once again, I am a bull long term, but short term in the coming weeks, I think it's going to drop. That's all I think right now. Q4, for December, for January, I still believe that the stock is going to go up. I still believe Tesla's going to hit $1,000. It's just for the coming days, for the coming weeks, I think it's going to drop a little bit, back to like 820 or something, or $800. So, yeah, that's my estimate right now. Anyways, that was it for today. Make sure you check out the social medias. We have got the Twitter down below. We've got the Instagram. We have a Patreon, which if you haven't checked out yet, I'll show you right now. This is the Patreon right here. There we go. You can join for as little as $3. We've got a 15% discount code. You can get benefits like buy and sell signals, stock picks, the newsletter, and many other benefits. The new buy and sell signals have been uploaded today. So if you are already a patron, make sure you check it out. It's up on the channel. It's up on Patreon right now. Patreon.com/Lucid Trading. We also had some posts about Virgin Galactic, DIDI, Tesla, Palantir, C3, NEO, very long posts where I explain what I think is going to be happening next. I post about the stock market, obviously. We have Q&A live streams, which the last one was on Wednesday. Last Wednesday. The next one is going to be on Sunday, around 3:15 p.m. Eastern Time. So we had the buy and sell signals of last week. CPI, I write about the CPI, about labor issues and whatnot. And we've had an article about Alibaba. So all of that is now available on Patreon. Today, I'm going to be writing an article about an amazing stock pick. So that's going to be uploaded today after the stream, which is in a couple hours from now. But yeah, the buy and sell signals were uploaded a couple hours ago, so if you haven't checked it out, check it out. Become a patron today. There's just so many benefits to being a patron. I'm very, very active on Patreon. Well, the link is going to be down below in the description. I'm going to be linking that in the live chat as well. So check it out. And, well, have a great day. Have a great weekend. This was a great trading week. I think next week is going to be even more interesting. And if Tesla doesn't go down, it could go to $1,000. It's going to be really exciting. So make sure you're there for the next trading week. Once again, support me on Patreon. It is the lifeline of this channel. And the support is super much appreciated. I'll be able to create more content, better content, faster. So check it out. Patreon link, once again, down below in the description. And I'll be linking you in the live chat below now as well. Have a great weekend. Have a good one. I'll be seeing you probably on Sunday. So see you soon.